There is a lot of confusion when it comes to understanding aspect ratio. There are two basic aspect ratios to choose from, 4:3 or 16:9. The purpose of this video is to show you the differences between the two to help you when it comes time to view your video. The first thing to understand is that aspect ratio is the relationship of the height of an image to its width. A 16:9 or widescreen is rectangular, while a 4:3 or standard TV screen is almost a square. Now comes the somewhat confusing part. As you can see here, the image is much taller and skinnier than it should be. This is what happens when a 16:9 image is shown on a standard TV. Luckily, you can use edge crop on this format to fit the screen. Edge crop is an option that allows the 16:9 image to fit onto the 4:3 screen, but only about 65% of the picture is left, since the far right and left of the picture is cut off. This means you will miss any action happening in the left or right of the frame. The most reasonable thing to do is letterbox the image. This compresses the image back to normal with black bars on the top and bottom of the screen, and is the least distracting. Let's say you've taken the plunge and bought a widescreen TV. Everything is great until you want to watch an old movie. Your TV will look something like this. The problem here is that the 4:3 content isn't wide enough to fill a widescreen TV. So like letterboxing, black bars replace the missing picture on the left and the right of the screen. This is called pillar boxing. To get rid of these pesky bars, you could zoom into the picture. However, simply zooming in creates a lower resolution picture and detail is lost. Eventually, widescreen will become the new standard, and 4:3 sets will be a thing of the past. Until then, knowing what size screen you will be watching your video on is of the utmost importance. Choosing the wrong format may leave you with a picture that is far less than perfect.